So here we are. King, Dave are cranking the emotional baggage machine positively. See, it's got positive or constructive and deconstructive on this side on the creative brain, and it moves all this stuff. It moves the little train, the joy balloon, and there's the clouds that are floating around, thunder and lightning. And there's all kinds of happenings in here. And it's making the fellow very happy. Of course, in the back, get around back here, the pets, the animal mind is happily in its place, cranking around. But, and now the Kundalini energy is built. But if we crank it backwards, let's see what happens. Oh, the cat and the dog start fighting each other. And all the upper universe connection to the world stops cranking. And the man gets very sad, depressed. Oh. But if he gets cranked happy again, that's one side getting cranked happy. Oh, and there's the other side coming up. Yay, he happy's up. And everything starts to turn again. Now, the added feature is the emotional luggage. And when it gets kicked, it actually makes him dance. So, the middle one makes his bum wiggle. But this one makes his other leg jump here. And so you can kind of play with them like a puppet.